You know, me can't overstand. And why make the white people hate we so? Me God, me never see nothing like this in my life. You know, say me born and grow. And me yard, me mama white, me papa black. For 18 years me live for them, me never know say that white people supposed to hate black people. Me go live in Canada, most of the people around me, they white. Me never know say they hate black people, they not do nothing to make me afraid of them. In my old age, me come to America now, me find out say white people just hate black people. Not all of them, of course, you can't say all of them, I know all of them. But enough of them to make you afraid. Because all this morning, me get one video, one white man, him have on some whole heap of long gun, and he say, anyhow, for him, lead or lose the election of civil war. Me get one another video there, they one white boy who do a long gun to and him a practice for shoot, and guess what, our black man picture him a shoot after. The police, them look like them are Ku Klux Klan people because everywhere they see black people, if you run, you jog, then shoot you. If you in your bed asleep, then come in, they come shoot you. They must see you up on the road, then hold you down and strangle you till you're dead. Me don't know what I go on. In fact, Jamaica people, them over America now get so afraid. Not all of them, of course, only some of them. But them say them a pack up for go out their yard now because them don't know what I go on. They're afraid no puss. Master, me no understand what happen in America though. It get straight up here so. Remember, Mrs., you want chat like me? Get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. It's written by Joan Williams and it has in cartoon so you can understand exactly what I'm saying. And not only what I'm saying, what the DJs and the singers who sing reggae, they have beautiful music, and I'm sure you want to be able to understand what they're saying. Now, in the previous commentary, I was asking why is it that white people hate black people so much? It's as if they want to kill us everywhere they see us. Things have gotten, this is in America actually. I didn't have that same experience in Canada. And I grew up with a biracial family in Jamaica. I never had a problem like this. This is something that I've only encountered in America. And it's really crazy. I hope that one day you can figure out what is happening to America and let me know. Give me a call. And remember to pick your book up, Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. It's written by Joan Williams, and it has in cartoons, which makes life easier for you, so that you can understand our dancehall artists and our music, or great music when they're singing. Have a great day.